Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off GPS location data collection for customization service on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then in here tap on privacy and security. Tap on security and privacy. Then we go down and tap on privacy. Next, go down to the bottom and then tap on other privacy settings. Then we're going to tap on customization service and then tap on data management. And finally tap on location GPS. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Then tap on the stop button to stop the data collection. Otherwise, you can go in here and switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.